340 square metres of screen is right behind me. We will have the biggest screens in the Southern Hemisphere here at the Perth Stadium. 80% of the contracts that we've let have gone to West Australian businesses. It has created 420 new jobs. We've had 100 apprentices and trainees on site. We're here today to talk to West Stadium, and they have been working very diligently to make sure that they are meeting the targets set by the state government in the industry training plan to encourage Aboriginal people to take up apprenticeships, and they are doing incredibly well.